Harvesting potatoes I did not plant. Here's how and why. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Shh. So we're going to harvest potatoes that we did not plant. So let's go. I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you've been watching my videos, you'll know about it. But I'll show you what I'm doing and show you why it happened and what we're getting from it. Let's go. Okay, here is the patch of area where we have potatoes. And these potatoes, I did not plant the potatoes. The potatoes came out from potatoes that we either mistakenly did not harvest, or we did not find it when we were harvesting last year. So I guess we missed quite a few potatoes on the ground. So this year, at the beginning of the year, we saw a lot of potatoes coming out. So we just decided to just leave it there and not get it out or transplant it or do anything. We just decided to leave it there and just make sure that we at least we covered it with added some little bit of compost in the area and just let it go. And so now we want to try to see what we get from the potatoes that we did not plant, because these potatoes came out by themselves. So we're gonna see, hopefully we get some, at least a couple of dishes of potatoes from this area. So we're gonna try to harvest it and see. So what probably happened was the potato grew and the leaves died off, and we did not harvest it. And when we came to harvest it, all the leaves for these ones had died off and disappeared from the ground. So we did not know exactly where it was. That's probably what happened. And we harvested the other ones that were there that were still had leaves, and these ones did not. In this one, we're able to get a couple of them from here. That's good. So I'm just all the leaves and the stuff, I'm just piling it. I'm gonna add it to my compost pile later on, the potato leaves and stems and everything. But right now, just gonna try to harvest and see what we can get from our potato spot over here. Let me know in the comments below if you've had situations like this where you found a couple of potatoes. In the past, I've had a couple of potatoes, like one or two there. Within one bed you might have one or two, but not this much. We really left a lot of potatoes in the garden bed, this garden bed area last year. So hopefully we're gonna be able to get some, and next year we intend to plant more in this area. So it looks like we're getting quite a few different potatoes over here. I'm just gonna try to speed up the process right now, so that way I don't waste too much of your time, and just go through and harvest everything and then come back and show you guys what I've done and what I have from the garden. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It helps us out if you haven't subscribed to the channel. If you like the video so far, smash the like button, and please don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, and don't forget to share. You can also support the channel by getting our merch. We have hats, we have shirts, we have hoodies and other stuff. I'll put the link in the description. You can support us by getting our merch. So I'm done harvesting. This is it over here. As you can see, I didn't harvest the whole bed, but look at what we got. We got at least half a bucket. This container is 2 gallons, so I'll say about a gallon plus of potatoes, and they are huge potatoes, which is awesome. So we're gonna eat this, and I didn't harvest all of them. On this side, I saw that there were some of them that were still tiny ones still on it. So I'm just gonna cover it with the soil and maybe give it another 3 weeks or a month and then harvest it. You can see this one. When you see a potato like this and it's already green, turning green like this, you don't want to eat that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bury this, and hopefully by the end of the season or maybe next year, we're gonna get potato seeds from it, and then we're gonna grow potatoes from it. But I just left these over here, so I just harvested half of the section and I left the other half for it to continue growing, because I saw there was a lot of small potatoes protruding from the soil. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.